Okay.
Get her done. All right, you ready? Roll on out. We'll keep our hands at 9 and 3 all the way, all right? Nice. No death grip on the wheel, but just nice grip. All right.
I don't have to worry about people behind me.
Nope. Nope, you don't. All right, we're going to come over to my side. There you go, all the way to your side. Nice smooth throttle. That's good. We don't need to brake for this. We're going to take it at the speed, okay?
Okay.
Wait for the cone at your corner. Now we'll come over to my side. You braked. You braked.
Was I supposed to?
No. All right, now lift.
Now
Cover the brakes.
Okay.
There we go. Release. Yeah, when we're on the brakes, just stay into them. Don't go on and off, okay? We're good. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. You can build some speed from here. Yep. Nice. Over to my side of the track.
Whoa!
There's the throttle. Lift. Hard brakes. Hard. Maybe 20
Oh, we
miles
got
an
this
hour
little
trigger.
thing to go
Maybe
around.
20
yeah.
miles an hour. And we're not racing through it. We're just trying to make sure this corner doesn't get too spicy. So we can go on ahead.
Yeah, I gotta get out of the.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm driving my car on the highway.
Right.
I gotta get that mentality
There you
out.
go. All the way to your side. Wait for that
Okay.
cone before you turn. Then come over to my side. And then you can start feeding a little throttle. Feed a throttle. That's it. Now you can go. Get it. Over to your side. 3, 2, 1, lift. Brake for me. Release it.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I
Stay
got
on
the
your
feel
side.
of it. I
Yep.
think.
Now you're feeling it. Stay on your side. We're going to roll through this one. No brakes. No brakes.
No brake.
No brakes. Wait for the cone, though.
Ah.
Now you can turn to it. Give me some throttle. There it is. What do you think?
I'm getting it.
You are getting it. These are very sharp corners. Give me some brakes. Yes, release it now. Very sharp corner. Nope, that's good. That's good on the brakes. Once I say release, no more brakes are needed. All the way to your side. Brake now. Brake. Now release it. We'll stay farther out next time, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, now we can start feeding and throttle. Release.
Oh.
I know, it's exciting. All right, now we can turn to my side. That's right, give it throttle, give some throttle.
Okay.
Nice, smooth throttle. Yeah, over to your side. I'm gonna let this Porsche pass us after this corner, okay? So just stay on your side, brake for me. A lot of brakes. There you go. Now, that's good. Now, coach, roll, just roll. Roll.
Oh.
Now you can go.
Oh, okay.
Roll, yeah, just roll.
Gotcha. I didn't realize that.
That's all right. It's exciting. I know. Don't worry, man. Yeah, easy through here. Yeah, we don't want to jam on too much throttle, but now you can start getting it. There we go. Lift. Hard brakes. Hard brakes. Stay on it. Harder.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Now you're getting it. Okay. Now we'll ease up to speed.
How am I doing? Am I freaking you out? Okay.
You're doing fine, dude.
All right.
I had someone do one of these 35 all the way around in New Jersey. This is much better. All right, you can start feeding and throttle. Over to my side. Remember, smooth throttle on.
Whoa! A little bit of a hard shift.
I know. Lift. Release it. Over to your side.
Oh, okay. Green cone.
Yep, over to your side.
Stay by the red.
Yep. There you go. We're just going to roll through this. Don't brake. Trust me on this.
Okay.
Ready? Coming over. All the way to me. Nice. Lift for me. Hard brakes. Good. Release them. We're going to roll through this corner just at this speed, okay? No extra throttle yet.
Okay.
Now you can start getting a little bit all the way to your orange cone out there. Got it? That's right. Roll through it all the way. Roll.
Stay over here?
Yeah. Now you can turn. Look at this corner. How much fun that is.
For some reason I want to hug the corner.
Here's brake. All right, release for me. Roll through at this speed. Over to my side.
Okay.
Now you can give a little throttle, a little ease into it over to your side of the track. That's good stuff. Touch the brakes and release them. Good. Over to my side. No more brakes.
More brake?
No.
Oh, no more brake.
All right. That's good. Just roll through here. This is fine. No brakes. Get on the gas a little. right, this is our last in lap, so we're gonna ease
Okay.
into it. All the way over that orange cone. Doing okay?
I'm doing great.
I know you are. I know you are. Look over my. There's a green cone. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. It gets spicy. Now you can get into it. 3, 2, 1, lift. Good. Release it. Release it.
Oh.
That's right. Over to your side.
See over here. Okay.
Yep. Just lift for me. Ready? Turn to my side. Easy, easy. There you go. Now you got it. Lift. Hard brakes. Hard brakes. Hard brakes. Hard brake. More brake. More brake. Release it now. All right. We're going to stay on the right side of the track because we have to pit in, okay? We're going in this time.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Gotcha.
And they went quick.
It does. All the way out of my side. Yep. Yep. Easy.
Oh, and then go
yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I know. It's so fun. I had
Wow.
second person in a row that wanted to take another lap. I would love to take another lap with you. Over here. No.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna get a picture.
Oh, get the picture. That's right.
Dan, you rocked it, dude. How do you think? Boom.
Yeah. Fun car.
Fun car. You need one now, right?
I do.
Don't we all?
No kidding. What are all the buttons?
Windows, hazards, traction control.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what,